this company wouldn't be here. The successes in my life wouldn't be here with my family, my career, if it wasn't for Grant Cardone. So I want to thank Grant Cardone for what he's done for me. From the moment you walk in the door of our call center, you can see that we're Grant-based. Grant is part of this entire operation, from the way the phones are answered, to the way we track customer, to the scripts we use when we call people, to our massive follow-up that our call center performs on a daily basis, the way we track people, the way we track ourselves to see what we've sold, where it's been sold. The motivation is everywhere, and we've fired people because they're not positive. We have no negativity science here. We've let 2 people go in the last couple weeks just because they weren't positive. This is the Grant Cardone room. This is where we come every day and train every morning with Grant. That's our Cardone University TV. We've had a library of Cardone books that our staff sign. So Grant's a part of our life. We use Grant every day, and this company wouldn't be here if it wasn't for Grant Cardone.
Awesome. Great job, Grant Cardone.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great job, Team Cardone. All right, are you guys ready to help some more people today?
Yeah.
Okay, what day is it?
Tuesday.
Right.
Every day's Tuesday, new people.
That always confuses the guests. Okay, look, this is a real company with real customers. That's what a real company looks like. 100 employees, growing. I could be at 200. I'm holding down my own growth. Okay, you see, this is a real donut. It's not a virtual donut. It's not a Photoshop of a donut. It's a real donut. What you just saw was a real company. Real companies have real people. The people that you're listening to, they need to have real companies, right? That are hiring people, training people, educating people, investing in people to make them better so you can service a customer. You guys can't outsource everything. I know the popular thing right now is to outsource everything. Nobody can eat my donut from me. I can't outsource that.
You know that that ain't good for your gut health.
Look at this. Look at this.
Colon. You got bacteria and stuff in there, man. You got bacteria, and that's inflammatory or something.
This has got protein in it. I got to eat my own donuts. Somebody's got to shoot the video. You got to build a business, okay? Somebody's got to service the customers. You can't just do all this online. It's popular. Everybody wants to think you can solopreneur the deal. You can outsource everything. If you want to learn how to grow your business, okay, how to really grow your business, how to build a business, in fact, follow me. We should do it right now, Johnny.
Oh, yeah.
This is our studio right here. We have 5 people in here that just cut video constantly, okay? I have 7 books, 13 best-selling programs, business programs, most of which is delivered via video. This is an entire video wall right here. We do 5 shows a week on topics like real estate, sales, money, finance, staying with your relationship, not making mistakes, how to stay motivated. This is an internet web team. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About 30 different cubicles right in here. I could use 60. Don't tell anybody. This is Curtis. Don't get him in the shot. Don't get Curtis in the shot. He's security, you see. Okay, he's like, bang, bang. He goes, just to keep the place secure. Because when you start promoting 10X, man, and be obsessed or be average, you get some crazy people. This is Matt right here. We call him Minuteman Matt right here, okay? Matt does all our hats. Matt does all hats. Have you ever seen our 10X hats? Matt's in charge of web development, our hats, production of belts. Like, he helped me produce this belt. You got to learn how to sell. The reason people don't expand their company, the reason people don't want to hire employees is not because it costs money, because they're worried about getting new money. You guys don't know how to get new money. If you knew how to get new money, you'd hire more people. You'd hire a secretary, you'd hire a receptionist, you'd hire a support team, you'd hire a manager, you'd hire somebody in to hire new people, right? Like, check this out. This team behind me of 80, just short of 80 people, about 100 people throughout the whole staff. Probably got 40 back here. I could use 100 back here. What do? They're on the phone. They're on the phone calling about Cardone University, Cardone On Demand, our automotive product. Helping companies, big Fortune 100 companies, service them and support them in how to sell, how to promote, how to market, how to close, how to prospect, how to follow up. Somebody's got to teach people this. You can't do this in 2 or 3 days. These big companies want support. They want support for their products, okay? These are all service people back here. How do you do this? I started with one employee. His name was Grant Cardone. I knew him, and so I hired him, right? He passed the drug test. I believed in him. And for 15 years, I was one guy. And then one day I woke up, a mentor of mine said, look, you can't scale with just yourself. You got to start building a business here. If you're going to have a real business, you need employees, you need people. You need to be willing to hire people. And I'm like, man, but I'm scared. They cost money. He's like, not making sales. 1, 2, 3, 4. These empty desks. That's what's costing me money. Okay, that's what's costing you money. Staying small is costing you money. So a couple things you could get right now. One, you got to get the 10X rule. At some point, you got to start thinking different. Come to our conference. Come to the 10X Growth Conference, or come to our boot camp that's coming up. I'll put the links below. I'll get you a special deal for watching today. If you missed the boot camp, you need something in your car or on your phone that you're listening to. You're good, Johnny. I'm watching you. Just keep going straight back, Johnny. Be blind, baby. See, this is the accounting department. I got 11 people in my accounting department counting money, collecting bills, right? You got to build. You got to build. That's my point today. You got to build a business now. Quit playing a small game. So the 10X rule you definitely need to get. You have to get all my sales material. I'll put a link below to the 7 secrets to sales, okay, that you need to know whether you're an introvert or an extrovert, like sales, don't like sales, sales type or not a sales type, whether you sell on the phone, door to door, or you sell online, you need this program. It's a game changer. The other thing I would tell you, I'm going to give you a bunch of programs. Maybe we put a whole package together in here. The financial planning package. You want that deal? That's the attorney. I got a full-time attorney there. Okay? Now you're like, why you show me all this? Because you need to think bigger. You need to think bigger, okay? All this costs money. I have failures here. I have disappointments. I have discouragements. I have people that work here for a little while and they quit. But you're not going to get big by yourself. That's my message to you today. That means you need training, you need education, you need material. Any way I can help you grow, okay? If I can somehow be responsible for helping you grow. You want to come down here for a coaching session? We have a couple getting ready to walk in right now. Okay. Husband and wife are coming in here. I'm going to sit down at my desk. They're going to tell me what they want to do with their business. And I'm going to do my best to see if I can coach them. But it's just 30 minutes. They're paying $10,000 for that. To sit down with me and see if we can map out their future. What if you could spend 3 days with me? Or what if I could spend every day with you? Every single day with you. In the morning, during the day, at night, you open your phone up and bang, I'm there to help you solve your problems. I want to coach you. I want to help you. And by the way, each year, at the end of the year, you come to a conference and we spend 3 days together and we show people the success in the room. I want you to be an ambassador, a 10X ambassador. I want you to be somebody that's taken their life from where they are right now. I'm an example of a 10X person. I was a drug addict when I was 25. Cleaned up, 10X. Okay, 35 years old, I got a couple little companies. I'm starting to get my game together. I'm like, I need to 10X this. Bam, I 10X again, okay? I get married, I have 2 kids. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna 10X again. 10X is about an expansion so that you can bring more people on board, help more people, raise more money for charity, help your church, help your community, help people, be a beacon. This isn't about money and success. It's about being a beacon, an example to other people, and the world needs examples. The world needs you, and you know the potential's in you. You know you got it in you, but you need tools. You need education, right? How can you be a good salesperson if you don't have a rebuttal to every single objection a customer has? That's what this book is. This book's $159. Probably worth $150,000, okay? You need them. More importantly, you need the material. You can't use it if you don't know it. But you need to learn it. You need this available so that when somebody says, hey, look, I'm not doing anything till next year, don't follow me up anymore. Don't call me till next year, okay? It tells you exactly what to do in this book, exactly what I would do. Customer says, I don't think I can afford this. How are you going to respond? This one whole page on exactly what you want to do, exactly what the customer is going to say. Hey, Grant, I got a better deal down the street. This tells you exactly 1, 2, 3, 4 different closes on one page that you could use to fit different personalities, yours and theirs, so that you can close. So look, check out my store, grantcardone.com. I'm going to put some other links of the other products that we suggested. Find out what you can afford. Whatever you can afford, I want to help you with, okay? All our products are very affordable. We have products that are free here, believe it or not, okay? Every day we put a free product on my site. I want to help you. You need to decide, are you committed? Do you want to 10X? Can you do more? Should you do more? Can you be more useful, more effective, more motivated if you had more material? And look, I know a lot of you out there, like you've tried stuff before and it didn't work. Any of my materials, when you buy something from me, if it doesn't work for you, you send it back, you get a 100% refund, okay? I don't want you as a customer if you're not winning with my products. So I want to help you. See the links below. Anything I can do to answer your questions. I'd love to see your comments. What's your biggest problem? What's your biggest challenge? Where do you need the most help? What do you need a workshop on? What city are you in? I'll bring my workshop to your city if we can get enough support for it, okay? All right, thanks. Hope you enjoyed this. Again, grow your business. Start thinking bigger. Scale. Why don't you scale it? You're not scaling because you're scared. It's not because you're not motivated. You know you don't have the data necessary to go get new money to pay for employees, new money to pay for manufacturing, new money to pay for whatever you need. You don't know how to go get the money, so you stay small.